Hey guys, Guitar Guy 57 Abel here, and I finally got it. The Epiphone Les Paul in wine red. Just look at this. Look at that. Are you looking at it? Are you? Good. So in this, I'm gonna basically give you a sound test. It's not gonna sound really great because my amp is over there and my guitar is over here and the camera's over here, so it's not gonna travel that far. Well, yeah, it's gonna because I have the close, but still. You get my point? Okay, here we go. You do get my point, right? Oh, shoot. Okay, there goes the camera. Let's let it not fall over. Okay, so here we go. First, I'm going to explain the sound types. You have both pickups here, so it comes from both humbuckers. You have rhythm and you have treble, like most guitars. Now, as you see, it's got 4 dials. This is for this. These two are for the treble, volume, and tone. These two are for the rhythm, volume, and tone. And in the middle, these are both. But treble make it sound even better. So basically, since now I'm going to play Hotel California, so I'm going to play the last part of the Hotel California song. So that's basically the sound, and you can tell that, and you can hear that there is no buzz because it's humbucker pickups which take away that buzz. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the guitar. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.